Well, hey DIYers, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to switch a dryer plug. Maybe you got a dryer and it doesn't fit the one in your house. I want to show you guys how you can fix that. You don't need to call an electrician. It's just going to be a cheap and easy fix. So let's go ahead and dive in. So guys, the reason I'm making this video is I saw someone post in a Facebook group about getting a new dryer, and they brought it home and they went to try to plug it in, and the outlet and the plug on the dryer did not fit together. And so they were asking, oh, do I need to get an electrician over here to fix this outlet? And I want to tell them, no, all you have to do is just change out the plug on your dryer. And so I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do that. So guys, this is my old plug I have here that I'm taking off. You want to make sure you go ahead and unplug everything, that it's not plugged into the wall at all, because this could be very dangerous. But you want to go ahead and take the two outside cords off, the red and the black. Those are your hot cords. The ones in the middle, that is your neutral and your ground. So once you have removed your old cord, you can go ahead and put your new one in. Do make sure you go through that hole and not do what I did here, because you have to redo the whole thing. So when installing this, you want to make sure that your two outside wires stay on the outside. They can go on either side, it doesn't really matter. And then the middle, which is your ground, needs to make sure it goes in the middle. And just so you know guys, I'm installing a 3-prong here, but you could also remove a 3-prong and install a 4-prong as well. Alright, once you are done, it should look very similar to this. So guys, another easy DIY project that you could save money and save time on. Remember, when you're going to go and get a new appliance, you can always check and see what kind of outlet you have. Sometimes they'll switch it out at the store for you. You can show them which one you have and they'll switch it for you. But again, you could also just order one of these. You can get them from Amazon or a hardware store. I'll have some links in the description, and you can do it yourself. Save yourself a lot of money and also a lot of time. So guys, you can check out another video right here. And if this video was helpful for you, you can let me know that. You can leave me a like and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Love to help you out with those as well. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.